Hey friends, welcome into my channel. My name is Sherry. Thanks for joining me today. If you are new, welcome into the channel. And if you are returning, as always, welcome back. So glad to have you here today. I'm doing a very quick video. This is only going to take a few minutes. I have one kit to share with you that's going to be an upcoming junk journal. Just got it all downloaded and backed, and I'll show you all that. It's absolutely stunning. I saw it first on Gayle Agostinelli's channel. She was doing an Etsy share, and this was one of the kits that she shared in that. So I'll link to her channel below as well. And I will link this particular shop on Etsy is called The Rusted Gardener. And the name of the kit is Quiet Garden Walk. So if you're interested, I'll have the link below. You can pop on over, take a look at it. I went ahead and printed the whole thing out just because that's what I always do. Okay, so let me just flip through this kit with you. Again, it's called a Quiet Garden Walk, okay? And it's from The Rusted Gardener on Etsy. So this is the fussy cut page. Isn't that beautiful? And my grandson traced one of these that he wants me to get for a tattoo. Isn't that cute? So yeah, that's the fussy cut page. I have not cut anything up at all yet. Didn't back that one. These few that I'm going to start with are the ephemera pages. So I did these on cardstock, so they are not backed. But isn't that pretty? And from what I understand from listening to Gayle's video, the lady that does this, let me pull it up here on my iPad, see if it says her name. She draws this. She actually drew all these images and then puts them into a digital download. Isn't that gorgeous? So these would be 4 journaling cards. Same here, 4 journaling cards. Isn't that gorgeous? So pretty. And tags. I love that butterfly. That is a neat idea for a tattoo. Oops, that one's upside down. Some journaling cards, some tags, just some ephemera, I guess whatever you want to make with it. Looks like that's a piece of washi tape there. Some more ephemera, tall tag or a little belly band, some more journaling cards, some words. I've got 2 dogs roaming around, guys. We've got Maxie in and out of here, and we're babysitting our one of our grand doggies. He's a yellow lab. His name is Chucker. And we have our oldest 2 grandchildren, Gavin and Harper, and Chucker is Gavin's dog. So I've got my little nerd running around and a big old lab that slobbers all over the place, and my kitchen floor is a mess. So that being said, we'll get back to what we're doing. So maybe some corner pockets or something. That's probably what I would do with those. Another little bit of envelope, journaling cards, some other little ephemeras to cut out. Good thing I have my Tim Holtz scissors in all 3 sizes. Check this out, guys. I went ahead and just got all of them. So I have those are my favorite scissors. So back to work. I'm easily sidetracked. So more ephemera, some tickets, more washi tape. Cute, 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 cute. More pockets and little side tucks. Big tags. Aren't those gorgeous? I can't believe, look at that artwork. I wish I could draw like that. That is absolutely beautiful. And another, I don't know what I guess maybe tags. Yeah, you could make tags out of those. And then now we're going to get into just the pages. So I've gone ahead on each one of these images and backed it. That one's just backed with line paper. Pretty. Look at how beautiful that is. That one's backed with that. This is pretty, isn't it? love the colors. Night, that's neat. Backed it with a bluish one. That's the same backing with the lined paper. This one's really pretty. I love all the colors. And that one's backed with that. Probably hear Chuck's tail banging on the wall. That's really pretty. Look at those colors there. Again with the butterfly. And that one's backed with that paper. This girl, this lady, I should say. I don't know what he's doing in the next room over, but his tail is banging away. Okay, and then there, I think him and Max might be playing. And then this is just some script. We've got some Bible script she's got in here. Not all of it is. A few quotes. Wayne Dyer. Being relaxed, at peace with yourself, confident, emotionally neutral, loose and free-floating. These are the keys to successful performance in almost everything. Some really neat quotes there. And then these these are seed packets. I just did this on regular copy paper rather than on cardstock. So that is the whole kit, you guys. I hope you enjoyed this little flip through. I think it's going to be absolutely gorgeous. I will try to do this from start to finish with you. That would be a lot of fun, wouldn't it? I have no idea what I'm going to do for the cover yet. I thought of maybe going to the thrift store and getting a hardbound book and making this a hardcover. You know, pull an altered book, I mean, is what I would call it. So I'm not really sure yet if that's what I'm going to do or not, but I'll be, in the meantime, I will be getting this all fussy cutted and all the tags and everything cut out, and then we will make this beautiful journal together. All right, you guys, take good care. Thanks for stopping by and watching this quick video. I hope you all have a wonderful, wonderful day, and I'll see you on my next video. Bye.